Hi everyone, I'm Adhirstam. Our today's topic is principles of design. What do you mean by principles of design? Design is the selection and arrangement of materials with two aims. One is order and beauty. Principles of design include balance, proportion, emphasis, rhythm, and harmony. Balance. Balance is rest. This restful effect is obtained by grouping shapes and colors around a center in such a way that there is an equal attraction on each side of the center of interest. There are two types of balance. They are formal balance and informal balance. Formal balance. Symmetrical balance is achieved when one side of something is the exact reverse, that is, mirror image of the other half. It has been seen that the center of the space under consideration is the point around which all attraction must be adjusted. Next one is informal balance. Informal balance, it is also called as asymmetrical balance. Asymmetrical balance results when visual weightage are equivalent but not identical. Informal balance results if the objects do not attract same amount of attention that must be placed at different distances from the center or unequal weights. That is called informal balance. Next one is proportion. Proportion means relationship in size. That is called proportion. Proportion means the relationship of all the parts of a design to each other and of these parts to the whole composition. When an interesting but pleasing relationship exists between the amount of sizes, the design will be said to have good proportion. This is proportion. 1 is to 2 at the top and 1 is to 2 at the bottom. That is proportion. And then next one is emphasis. Emphasis is the art principle by which the eye is carried first to the most important thing in any arrangement and from that point to every other detail in order of its importance. Several by means which emphasis can be achieved into the placing or grouping of objects, the use of contrast color, to emphasize dress by using decoration, using plain background space around objects, by the use of unusual lines, shapes, or sizes. These are emphasis. And then next one is rhythm. Rhythm may be defined as a form of movement. In art, rhythm means an easy connected path along which the eye may travel in any arrangement of lines, forms, or colors. The method of obtaining rhythmic movement are through the repetition of shape, through progression of sizes, through an easy connected path or continuous line movement, through alteration, through radiation, through gradation. These are all rhythm. This rhythm developed through the repetition of shapes, lines, or colors when it is regularly repeated at proper intervals. A movement is created which carries the eye from unit to the next. For example, in any garment, if same shape, line, or color is repeated, then it is rhythm through repetition of shape. Example, this triangle repeated in same way, that is repetition of shape. And then progression of size, smaller to bigger or bigger to smaller. These are progression of size. And then rhythm to continuous line movement. Center of the frills. In this garment, the center garment, it attached frills, layer of frills. That frills looks like continuous line movement. It is mostly observed in lace borders or frills. If a line appears without any break, it is said to be rhythmic. And then rhythm through alternation. Alternative shapes, colors, and textures that bring out rhythm. Alternation between two motifs or two colors, that is called rhythm through alternation. Rhythm through radiation. It is a type of movement that grows out at central point or axis. In this garment, side of the portion is in black color, that is in that portion, that is central point or axis point. In that axis point, the type of movement that grows out to the central point. Central point is on the side of the garment. That is rhythm through radiation. And then next one is harmony. Harmony is the art principle which produces an impression of unity through the selection and arrangement of continuous line movement. Unity through the selection and arrangement of continuous objects and ideas. One is harmony of line and shape. Another one is harmony in size, harmony of texture, harmony of idea, harmony of color. Harmony of line and shape, harmony in size, harmony in texture. These are all harmony.